Working with data can be a challenge. And one of the challenges of working with data is trying to clean out additional spaces that may occur when you separate data or when you download data from other sources. So you'll notice the data I'm looking at here, for example, has some additional spaces in front and in some cases after the text. This is complicated by the fact that we also have spaces in between the words that we want to maintain. In order to clean out these extra spaces, because they're variable, we can't use find and replace. But there is a command in Excel called trim that will allow us to clean out those extra spaces. Let me show you how the command works. All you need to do is press equals and then trim, put in your first parentheses, and then identify the cell where the text lives that you would like to trim out the additional spaces or the extra spaces. Once I have the formula in, you'll notice that it took out the spaces in front, and notice how I have variable spacing in many of these cells. Once I've got it in correctly, all I need to do then is pull it down and repeat the pattern. And you notice that it cleaned out the spaces in front of the data, and it also maintained the spaces in between the data. So it didn't take out all the spaces, it just took out the spaces before and after my data. Now once I have the data cleaned up, if I want to take it just to a data state, what I need to do is copy the results of this formula, and then instead of just pasting it in, what I want to do is make sure I go to paste and paste just the values so that I now have clean data without any additional spaces.